Video, we will demonstrate how you can use Polytomic to sync Marketo to Databricks. Because we've already connected Marketo and Databricks to Polytomic, our first step is to go to our Bulk Syncs tab. This is the place where we take care of data syncing to data warehouses such as Databricks. So I'll click here to create Bulk Sync. Our source system, as we mentioned, will be Marketo. The destination system will be Databricks. And it will output this to a schema called Marketo, which is great. We're going to choose the Marketo objects that we want to have synced over. We can choose everything, or we can go ahead and only choose specific objects or even specific fields within those objects. Typically, we select everything and send it over in bulk, hence why it's called a bulk sync. And we have 57 out of 57 objects selected, and we have it checked to automatically sync new objects, which is great. Next, I'll click Continue. Last, we're going to set up our sync schedule, the frequency at which we want these syncs to be conducted. We can do a manual, one-time sync, continuous syncs, hourly, daily, weekly, or custom schedule type sync modes. I'm going to click Continuous and click Continue. From here, we can see a summary of the sync that we're about to set up. Everything looks good here, so I'm going to click Save. Awesome. Now we can run a test sync to have 5 random records synced over to Databricks to make sure that everything is flowing smoothly. And we can go ahead and enable our sync to actually run. Here we can see a history of all of these syncs that are being run. I'm going to go ahead and sync now. In the History tab, we can see that this sync is being run and is starting to process right now, and you can see all previous syncs that had been conducted. And we also have an error handling tab where you can get notified if there are any errors during the syncing process. And there you have it. Now you can use Polytomic to seamlessly sync data from Marketo to Databricks.